Good day, guys. Today we do a utility video teach you guys how to install the RTX Super Resolution upscaling. All right, so first launch your ComfyUI and make sure you are using ComfyUI Windows Portables. And first you have to update your ComfyUI to the latest version. Just double click update ComfyUI.bat and you should automatically does the updating for you. So once you update it, launch Comfy comes to the templates and then just search RTX and you should have this RTX video upscaler in here. So click on that, you will launch you this workflow, right? And then as you can see, we have a big red X on this says RTX video super resolution. It's not installed. That's very easy. So we'll come to the manager. You can either come to install missing custom node, which you can see ComfyUI NVIDIA RTX, or if you just come to here and search RTX Super Resolution. Right, so Super Resolution is this one. All right, so we just hit install and we select nightly and now it's installing. So once the install finished, we just hit restart. And do you want to reboot the server? It says confirm. Well, confirm, refresh, reload. Well, now we install it, but then we still can't run it. And let's have a look. What's the problem? So let's come here and let's say click here. It says import failed. All right, so because we do not have the VFS installed. All right, to fix the error message, or first install this one. So Google NVIDIA video effects and then come to this one, and now video effects, choose the graphic card you have. So I have 3090, so I'll download the 30 series. Just hit download and you won't take long to download. It's about 740 megabytes. So once you finish download, let's open it up and just say I agree. Now we have to install the NVIDIA video effects. All right, now it's complete and close. And now next we have to install it. All right, so now come to the documents. So you have to copy this code. I will leave this code in the description. And first you need to close your ComfyUI, close everything. And once you close everything, we have to come to our ComfyUI Windows Portables and just type CMD and open the control panels and paste this code. And now it's installing the NVIDIA VFX. All right, and once you say successful installed, we just close that, and now we open our ComfyUI, run NVIDIA GPU.bat, and now everything is installed and ready to run. So let's click on Manager again and custom node, search RTX Super Resolution, and see now it's done. See, nightly it's been loaded. And let's try to run this with a video. All right, so let's upload a video and try the upscaling. So first I'm just going to my desktop and I click this videos, and then in here you can choose either easy like a scale by multiplier. If you upload a 1080p, which is 1K, if you hit like a 2x upscaler, you will get a 2K videos. All right, so if you do 4, then you will have 4K videos, right? So that's pretty simple. And but I like to do it this way, target dimensions. So in this way I knew I'm gonna get a 1080p videos, right? And then the quality, choose ultra, and now hit run. So the whole process is really quick. For about 8 seconds videos, it will generally only takes around 20 seconds. And see, it's already done. So this It's probably by far the fastest video upscaling. All right, so let's see. This is the original footage.
Excuse me. Do you know LTX 2.3?
So this is a 720p. It's already really good, and then this is after upscaling to 1080p.
Excuse me. Do you know LTX 2.3?
No, never heard of it.
All right, so I think the
Excuse me.
quality is a slightly improved than before, but consider how fast it is. I think it's definitely worth trying, because there's a heaps of people online talking about the quality and all that. So I don't have to do the test, but I just help you guys get up and running with this node, so you guys can try it yourself. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.